Hey there, future content creators and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something super exciting in store for you. Ever wondered how to bring your own AI talking avatar to life? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own AI talking avatar. First, we will generate AI images. Second, text to speech. Third, we will create a talking avatar, so let's start. First, open a ClipDrop website and type any prompt like I'm using Chinese old man with the beard. Then click on the settings button, change the aspect ratio to widescreen. Now click on the styles section and select photographic. Finally, click on generate button and wait for the rendering results. Download your favorite image. Second step, text to speech. I am using 11 Labs. Type your script and generate your AI voicer file.
The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Download this AI voice file. Final step. Open Sad Talker. Sad Talker is a realistic 3D motion coefficient for stylized, audio-driven single image, talking face animation. It is free and available on Hugging Face. I will provide you with all these website links in the video description. First, upload your image. Now upload your audio file. Finally, click on Generate button. Sad Talker is effective for generating AI-driven talking avatars. However, there are certain drawbacks that need to be addressed. Firstly, the video quality produced by Sad Talker is not up to par, potentially impacting the overall visual experience. Additionally, the expressions conveyed by the avatars often fall short of expectations, lacking the nuance and realism required for authentic interactions. These concerns highlight areas where improvements are essential to enhance the overall performance and usability of Sad Talker's talking avatars. Here is the final result. The only
person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson.